I want to look more fresh for my wedding, so that's why I'm getting this surgery. You can call fat graft as the fountain of youth.
Are you scared of needles?
No. I've been working in this industry for like almost 10 years. It's been 9 years, so.
이 아래쪽으로만 무게감이 생기게 잠깐 넣으면 오히려 이렇게 눈썹을 내리누르는 형태가 되고 볼록하니까 안 좋은 거고.
My surgery time will be about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, so I'll see you in a while. I also want to show you some things that I buy, like to kind of like prepare for easier recovery. My boyfriend did said like, oh, like it looks unnatural, but I told him it's okay, it will subside. This is not the final result. It's all part of the process. So yeah, don't worry. Hi guys, this is Anna. I'm a manager at Docfinderkorea, and today I'm getting fat graft surgery at 345. So what is fat graft surgery? Fat graft is taking fat from your body, maybe your stomach or maybe your thigh, and then you can put it on your face. So for me, I want to put it on my forehead and then also on my front cheek because next month is my wedding. And I want to look more fresh for my wedding. So that's why I'm getting this surgery. You can call fat graft as the fountain of youth. It will make yourself look more fresh and look more plump because as we age, like we lose fat on our face. That's why my forehead is a little sunken, it's not plump, and also my cheek, like as we age, we tend to lose fat on our face. So that's why it's a very simple surgery. You can even call it a treatment. So if you're planning to come to Korea and then you're only looking for a simple procedure, I really recommend fat graft. For a fat graft, usually the fat, you can see the result maybe about a month after surgery. And even though we inject 100% of fat, not all of them will survive. Usually maybe about 30 or maybe 40% can remain in the injected area. So if you have a good lifestyle and then you have a good and balanced diet, then your fat can survive more and also they can last for a long time. So the goal is to have a balanced and healthy lifestyle so your fat can survive after surgery.
Are you scared of needles?
No. I've been working in this industry for like almost 10 years. It's been 9 years, so no.
Are you worried about like surgery? Like, do you feel nervous?
Not at all, because I've seen a lot like of my patients, and also I already got a fat graft procedure before, and I really like the result. So I'm doing another one. I got my blood test. My blood veins, usually they're very thin, so the nurse was having a hard time. I feel sorry for her. But anyway, now I'm waiting to get my consultation with Dr. Han. So Dr. Han is the anti-aging specialist in 345. And so that's why he will be doing my fat graft for anti-aging. And he's a very good doctor and he can speak English. So if you come for consultation with Dr. Han, you can talk directly to him. And he's very kind. He also likes to explain a lot. So if you have any questions, you can always ask him.
What is it?
This one. So yesterday I made a banana pudding at home. Made like a lot of banana pudding for 345 and then like the staff, the doctors. And I don't know how big like their staff is, but I made like 30 of the small ones and then I make like one giant like box of banana pudding so they can share.
여기 라인 있죠?
네.
여기 라인, 미디엄 주름이라고 하는데 이 라인 주변으로 이렇게 손으로 직접 만져봐도 볼륨이 있고
네.
여기는 볼륨이 없고 여기 볼륨이 있고 이런 느낌이거든요.
네.
여기가 그 안쪽에 그냥 살짝 들어가 있는 거면 채우면 밀어 올려지는데 거기는 살짝 들어가 있는 것만 있는 게 아니고 거기 따라서 피부를 잡고 연결하고 있는 끈 같은 게 있는 거예요. 그래서 여기를 넣었을 때 이 잡고 있는 끈의 힘을 이겨내고 지방이 여기를 밀어주기가 어려운 거죠. 그래서 여기는 특히나 지방을 넣으면 어떻게 될 거냐면 우리는 여기에 넣는다고 넣는데
네.
여기 안 있고 여기는 잘 안 살고 여기가 살아버리는 거죠. 그러면 더 심해질 수 있는 거죠. 사실은 이마를 할 때 이 아래쪽으로만 무게감이 생기게 잔뜩 넣으면 오히려 이렇게 눈썹을 이렇게 내리두르는 형태가 되고 볼록하니까 안 좋은 거고 볼륨이 생기면 풍선에 바람 불면 이렇게 펴지듯이 여기가 들어가면서 좀 펴져서 살짝이라도 올라온 느낌이 생기게 하는 게 그게 목표다. 여기 지금 이제 코로 연결되는 눈썹에서 코로 연결되는 요 라인 있잖아요.
네.
그러면 여기를 그래도 여기까지는 지방을 좀 이렇게 채울 수 있거든요. 여기 라인을 조금 이렇게 채워줄까요?
네.
이마를 할 때 여기
네.
약간 이렇게 연결되게.
네. 설탕 안 넣었어요. 이미 바나나는
네.
달콤하니까.
잘 먹을게요. 난 사온 줄 알았어.
아니요, 만들었어요 어제.
와.
So I just got my consultation with Dr. Han, and then he said first and foremost, like I can get my fat graft to my forehead area because like it's more sunken, and also he recommended fat graft on like my nose area because now my nose bridge is like really low, right? So like if he like give fat graft like around this area, then it looks more smooth. And actually, my main concern, like for fat graft, is because of my Indian band. Because in here, I don't know if you can see, but I have like this like band in the middle of my cheek. But he said that area, even though I do fat graft, it will not affect that much because I have a strong ligament that is pulling from the inside. Also, if he graft like too much fat, then my cheek can also be saggy. That's why he will only graft a little fat, which is okay because I just want for my Indian band to look like slightly better. He also recommended Botox in my chin. In Korea, we call it walnut wrinkle because like when you do this, there's like wrinkles like in your chin and they call it walnut wrinkle. So he also recommended Botox for me. In front of the surgery room, and my surgery time will be about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So I'll see you in a while. Bye bye. See you soon.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Hi.
How do you feel?
It's okay. I'm tired, and then my throat is dry. But
Do you
so
feel-
far so good.
Do you feel any pain?
No pain at all. My eyes is super swollen too, and one eye is more swollen than the
I
other.
see.
I tried to open, but it's not moving.
Maybe they did like local anesthesia. But yeah, ask.
Yeah. So I got my medication. It's only for 3 days. And now I'm ready to go home. See you next time. Hi guys, I'm back at home. I washed my hair first thing first. I cannot like it got like gathered together because of the betadine that they use. So now my hair is already so fresh, so clean. And I drank a lot of water because I was so thirsty. And before, when I was getting discharged, I cannot open one of my eye properly, but now I can already open my eye with no problem because the anesthesia has wear off. I'm super swollen. I cannot make like proper facial expression because everything is super swollen, but I really like this plumpy forehead result. I really love it. Hi guys, this is me, day 2 after surgery. And you can see I'm really swollen and the swelling goes down. Now it's in my eye back. So I look like I have like a huge eye back here. That makes me look really, really tired. Aside from the update, I also want to show you some things that I buy like to kind of like prepare for easier recovery. So first is like this huge hat. So it's like, it's actually bigger than my head. And like you can see on the back, I didn't close it. So it will be super loose. And I can wear it like this. And it will cover like half of my face. So nobody can see. what's going on like under. And then I want to introduce to you like some skincare that I got, especially like for like surgery recovery. You're not supposed to like really touch your face, right? You need to be really gentle with your face. That's why I got everything like a foam type or like spray type. So for the cleansing, I recommend this one. This is a cleansing foam and it's good for sensitive skin, and also it balances your pH. So basically it's kind of like cleansing foam and toner together in one. So this is a spray type serum. I'm sure probably you already know this brand because this is really popular. There's also spray type cream. This one will moisturize your skin and also give your skin like a barrier, like to protect your skin, because with all the swelling, your skin become really sensitive. And when you want to go out, you still need to wear sun cream. So that's why I also got the spray type sun cream with vitamin C. Ta-da! So yeah guys, if you want to have surgery in Korea, then I recommend you either you can purchase like some skincare with like foam or like spray type. You can purchase them from your home, or you can also buy in here because you can find them in Olive Young. If you need help, then Docfinderkorea can help you to buy online. Hi guys, today is day 3 after surgery. Yeah, I'm still swollen. It's getting a little bit yellow. There's like swelling on my upper eyelids and my lower eyelids. It's everywhere. But every day is getting more comfortable. Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye-bye. Hi! Today is 7 days, 1 week after surgery, and now I'm at 345. I'm waiting for my final checkup. So far, the recovery has been really good. There's not much discomfort except the swelling. I'm still swollen on my forehead, my eyes, my under eyes, but everything is okay. I could open both of my eyes maybe about 2 hours after surgery, and after that, my forehead was still sensitive, so even if I touch it slightly, or when I cough and when I sneeze, it was really painful. But like every day I'm getting better, and so far I'm really liking the result, even though I know I'm still like very swollen, but I really like the volume that it gives me, my forehead. For the Botox, the result is immediate, so there's no more, I'm trying to make wrinkle, but no more wrinkles. I'm Anna. I'm from Docfinderkorea, and I'm from Indonesia. I've been working in Docfinderkorea for 9 years, and it's been a month after my surgery. I had fat graft on my forehead, and also doctor gave me Botox for my chin. So before, I also had fillers on my Indian fold. And I like fat graft better because I'm asleep. For a filler, I was awake like when the doctor injected me. And I think also fat graft is more safe because it's your own fat. If you can maintain your lifestyle and your diet well, then fat grafts should last longer than filler. So that's why I prefer fat graft. It wasn't painful at all. I went to the operation room and then I sleep, and then when I woke up, it's done. And after I was able to walk by myself, then I went home. I think I worked 1 day after. So yeah, it's a very minimal procedure, and yeah, I work 1 day after. I just wear like a very loose cap, like to cover my forehead because it was really swollen. And I think I look normal already. Maybe 2 weeks after surgery, I already look normal. Doctor took the donor from my thighs, so they take the fat from my thighs, and there's no pain over there too. Right after surgery, when they put bandages over like my thighs, and by night it was already very loose because I guess it's already deswelling, and there was no pain, but there was a lot of bruising on my thigh, and it's all gone now. there's no stitches, so doctor just poked like one hole like each on each thigh, and that's it. But the stitches, it depends on which doctor and which clinic because they have their own preferences. Maybe some people, they're worried it looks too big and unnatural, but because I've been working in Docfinderkorea for 9 years, I've seen thousands of patients, and I know eventually the swelling will subside. And my boyfriend did said like, oh, like it looks unnatural, but I told him it's okay, it will subside. This is not the final result. It's all part of the process. So yeah, don't worry. Definitely now I feel like happier, and then because yeah, as I said before, I didn't like how flat my forehead looks. Now with the volume, I feel like happier, and I feel like I look younger. I guess like if you want to have surgery before your wedding, I really recommend if you contact a professional, like for example, maybe Docfinderkorea, or maybe you can also contact the clinic to make the plan for you, because we know like how certain surgeries, like how fast the swelling is. So we can tell you like, oh, is this plan reasonable or not? So for me, because I know fat graft, then I would already be seeing the final result like within 1 month. That's why I wanted to do it with like 1 month before my wedding. Some patients also, they contacted us because they want to do maybe liposuction before their wedding. For liposuction, then I think at least it's better if you do it maybe 3 months before your wedding. And if you want to do facial contouring, then it's best maybe if you can do it like maybe 9 months before your wedding, so you can see the final result. And rhinoplasty also, I think it's because it's the same, it's bone surgery. So I also think maybe 9 months will be better, so you can be fully diswelled before your wedding. Korea, I think now is globally like #1 destination for plastic surgery, and the doctors are very experienced because every single day they're performing surgeries, and not only 1 surgery per day, maybe it depends on which surgery, maybe they can perform up to 7 surgeries per day. So that's why they're expert, because doctor, they need experience, right? So if you go to a doctor that only performs surgery once a week, and then doctors who perform surgery 7 times a day, every day, then of course the experience and the result are different. So that's why I recommend coming to Korea to get your surgery done. And if you use Docfinderkorea, we can provide a lot of services, including transportation from the airport, and also transportation for your medical schedules. We also provide shopping tour, and we buy your medicine for you, give you pumpkin juice, and if there's any problem that happens within your trip, we always go all out, like to help you, maybe even take you to hair salon, maybe go buy groceries for you. So if there's anything, we can always help you. I've been working with Dr. Han also for 9 years, because I've been working with him when he was still in Banobagi, and then now he moves to 345. So I already know him, and I trust him a lot. He is also very kind. If you have consultation with him, then usually he explains very well. And I really like how he is like, he thinks about the whole thing, because I told him I want like I didn't like this area, like it's sunken in this area, but he said if he only graft like this area, then it might not look natural. So he suggested how about like he graft from the hairline and also including to my eyebrow, so the volume will look natural, and I agree. Thank you 345, and thank you Dr. Han. My name is Anna from Docfinderkorea, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.